Welcome back, everyone. When the calendar hits May tomorrow, if you can believe it. Also a time to celebrate Asian Pacific American Heritage Month. The Discovery Children's Museum is celebrating all month long with special performances and some fun activities for the kids. Our Hector Mejia live downtown right now with a preview. Hey, Hector, good morning.
Hey there, Alex. Good morning. And so there's a lot to celebrate. The museum here is celebrating a lot of countries, including Hawaii, Samoa, Japan, Thailand, and China. And in a second, you'll see a musical performance. But right now, we want to talk about the activities happening throughout the entire month of May here. Joining us live, we have Sam. Sam, thanks for joining us again for an early morning live shot. How you doing?
Good. Good morning. Welcome to the museum. We're getting ready today for Asian Pacific Heritage Month at the museum.
So what are these hands-on activities that we have planned for the kids?
So we have lots of different activities for the whole month of May. We're going to be highlighting 5 different countries and traditional crafts and science activities from each of those countries.
Which countries?
So we're going to be doing Japan, Thailand, China, Samoa, and Hawaii.
And there's also an entire calendar dedicated. It's about a few days for each country, or a whole week?
A whole week, actually, for each country. It'll start on a Saturday, and we'll get a performance or an artist workshop for each country as well.
Perfect segue. Talking about performances, tell us, what we have right now.
So this is Gary. He is from Hawaii, and he is going to be doing a musical performance for us with his wife.
So this is just one of many performances planned for the entire month. That's really neat.
Yeah, definitely. The 5 weeks of this.
So cool. So lastly, tickets.
So tickets can be purchased online or at the front of the museum entrance. You can reserve your tickets ahead of time anytime.
Thank you. All right, well, there you go. Reporting live, Hector Mejia and Gary here at the Discovery Children's Museum. 8 News Now, back to you guys.
Sounds great, Hector, and the music sounds good too. The dancing spectacular, and very good to honor and acknowledge our enormous Asian population and culture here in the Valley, which is everywhere you go, pretty much.
We're the 9th island.
Absolutely.
We sure are. And it's so colorful, and the music and the hula, I love that so much. So much tradition, rich tradition that a lot of people don't even know. So a great way to discover it.
Yeah. We could listen to that all morning with Gary. It's so
really
peaceful.
nice.
Yeah, beautiful.